Welcome back, guys, and in this video I am going to tell you some tricks for Redmi users, Mi phone users, Xiaomi phone users, how to stop draining battery. And believe me, please go through the last point of this video, and you will feel the difference. Nothing more I can say. So, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel if you like this video. So, just coming to the topic, first you need to go to dialer pad, and here dial star hash 6485 hash star hash, note that, and star, then this will come. So what you need to see, I have taken the screenshot. I will zoom it for your purpose. Here MB6 is coming. This should be good. If it is good, then there is no hardware issue with your battery. Your battery is good. You need not to worry. If it is bad, then you had to replace. You had to go to the center and replace that battery with the new one. But if it is coming good, and then also your battery is draining, then come back here. You need to do some settings. Go to the setting, then go to the one more notifications and control center, and here first thing, app notifications, and remove the notifications from those app you do not want notifications. So first thing, you remove the notifications from unwanted app. Okay. Second, go back to the original, go to the display and change it to the dark mode. It will save considerable amount of your battery, but for telling you, I will in light mode only. You can change it. Then go to the sound and vibration, and here you can come down, and here you will see that additional setting is there. Switch off the options you do not want. So this will also minimize your battery draining. Then again go back and go to the privacy protection, go to the location, and here remove the locations from the apps you do not want. This will save considerable amount of battery. Remove the location permission. Then when go to the battery, and here ultra saver battery mode. Here some mobile is automatically fixing some problem for battery related issue, and here you can activate ultra battery saver mode. After doing all these things, you must able to feel the considerable amount of improvement to in your battery issue. So that's all what I wanted to communicate. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.